Hey everybody, it's Bill Lanier coming to you with the first quarter of 2023 market update on average sales price and what's going on with the Midland real estate market. Hope you find this stuff informative, and with that, we're going to go straight into our average sales prices. Since 2010, these bars represent the average sales price year over year. And the first quarter of this year so far, we're $359,000 roughly on average sales price, down a little bit compared to last year. Go down to this next chart. You can see we're down negative 2.3%. Nothing alarming. If you look at the real estate markets across the country, they're down significantly with the interest rate hikes this past year. So this is not alarming to me. As a matter of fact, we're seeing our demand picking up. And if you looked at this last month, it was a negative 4.4%. Give you a little bit of an explanation on the next chart. But hang on, don't worry about that one. Let's watch that as we get into this year. Also on this chart, we have average oil prices for the year. And you can see whenever our average oil prices are up, we see extremely good, robust appreciation in the Midland real estate market. A couple isolated years whenever we did have a little bit of negative appreciation, but in general, Midland is a good, safe place to put your money. It's our general trend is always up. The only exception to the oil price theory is last year. In 2022, we had almost $95 a barrel average on average oil prices, but our appreciation was only 3.3%. This is a very healthy number for an economy. 3 to 4% appreciation is good, but typically when we see $95 oil, we'd see a lot higher appreciation, and that was the impact of those interest rates. Okay, I told you I'd give you a little bit more explanation on this negative number here and where part of that's coming from. And if you remember our under contracts, how we measure demand, this dotted chart is 2018 through 21. And then also in the blue line, that is this past year. First quarter, we were enjoying just a phenomenal real estate market here. Things were selling as fast as they hit the market. Interest rates, 2.5 to 3%, probably right along this point. And the reason I'm bringing this up on this page, March of last year, Fed starts raising interest rates. What's that do? It did affect our demand, and especially in that second half of last year. Things slowed down. Sellers had to be a little bit more aggressive on pricing their homes, negotiating. So that did affect our average sales price there towards the end of last year. And the whole reason I'm saying all this is homes that were going under contract during that last quarter of last year could have closed out in the first 2 or 3 months of this year. And sellers having to be a little bit more flexible on sales price. I think that's showing up in that negative 2.3% appreciation so far this year. So as we get into this year, I expect that to keep improving. We're seeing lots of activity in our market. The under contracts have been just extremely good. In our office, we're moving as fast as we can. And talking about that, we would love to be the realtor of your choice. Please give us a call at any of this contact information. If you like this information, please like our Facebook page, Bill Lanier team at Keller Williams Realty. And then you can also go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to our market updates that we send out once a week. We're going to keep them short and informative. All right, we'll look forward to visiting with you next week. And please give us a call if you have any questions.